Good morning, folks. It's another hot and humid one today. We're at the Liz and Dave's Beebe Erie Canal Park, if I'm reading that sign right. We're going to try to do the nature trail. So, yeah. We've been here before in our through hike on the Empire State Trail. So, let's see what happens here. I thought that was a tent over there for a minute. Got some displays over here. I'm not sure if you're supposed to be here before they open or not, but just reading the sign here in 1841. Stones from the rocks, and it looks like the nature trail is back here. Culvert 59.6 miles, Clinton's Ditch Trail, Blue Line Ditch, original Erie Canal Trail. I guess we can go this way. Trying to see what works better. So we'll be walking into the sunlight. Hopefully no deer jump out this time. I just did a video on the other side of the road there, Dill's Trail, and had a little bit of a spook there. So again, actually, yeah. We've been to Culvert 59 before. It was part of what we've seen on the Empire State Trail. We took that side shoot off there, and the horsefly is going to be awful. Yep. Great weather for bugs. Inches of rain 2 weeks, and then humidity and 90s the next. Alright, this is going to be a short video because I'm going to have to keep these flies off me. Clinton's Ditch, 1820, 4 feet deep, 40 feet wide. Must be what we're going across right now. Clinton's Ditch is over here. 40 inches wide. 40 feet or I can't remember. The main park itself is over here. No direct connection to the trail. There's a bridge over there though. Oh, maybe it connects right here. Yeah, it connects right here. Clinton's Ditch, I guess, and maybe the enlarged. No, the enlarged is over there. Anyway, there's two ditches. One over here. Oh, this sign might tell us. And it's gonna be a long sign to read, and I'm gonna get chewed up by bugs while I'm doing it, so be prepared. Clinton's Ditch, the original Erie Canal. It's right here. Alright. Begun July 4th, 1817. Completed October 16th, 1825. It's the 200-year anniversary, by the way. Length 363 miles. Prism 40 foot wide, 4 feet deep. What the? 83 lip locks. Length 90 foot. Width 15 foot. Boat tonnage 75 tons. And that is over here. What's over here is probably just a creek, I guess. What the? Original Erie Canal, Clinton's Ditch. We just read all that. But this is the what the part. Well, get the full experience. Yeah, don't mind the bugs. You're used to it by now. You're not the one dealing with it. And there's these posts. There's 2 more out there, like there used to be signs or something, but yep, gotta keep walking. So it's gonna be a quick video. If it's not the heat and the humidity, it's the critters trying to draw blood from you. Clinton's Ditch. This may become a multiple stop, so because there's trails on the other side of the canal too. I don't think I'm gonna get to today because temperatures are already climbing. So, and the humidity. The low last night was like 73. So our overnight low last night was our actual normal high temperature for the season. Oh, it's gonna be another heat buster today. So walking's been a little minimum. Most of this week's trip was in the car anyway, so you can see the enlarged canal out there next to that busy highway. Again, I said it on my Empire State Trail videos. We'll be pretty close to wrapping the Empire State Trail up unintentionally on its 200-year anniversary. That was not the intention at the first start. And it's been going a year now, so because right now that trail is currently, well, outside of Amsterdam, New York, just about a few miles from there. And we just worked on coming out of Fairport this week on its way westward. Oh my god, these bugs. Yeah, I won't be walking this trail back. I'm gonna get down the Empire State Trail and take that, as I'm between a canal and a creek, I guess. There's nothing saying what that ditch is down there, but we know this is Clinton's Ditch. And the canal, the large canal's over there, but between that canal and this, I don't know what that ditch is. I think it's a creek, but between the two, oh, big brook spray. Which I did not do. Well, we know it's at least just over a half mile to get to this culvert, so hopefully the conditions are better when we are not next to an abandoned canal full of water, a creek, and an enlarged canal. I mean, yeah, at least there's places to stop, but you ain't stopping for too long. Alright, so that's the culvert. We'll check that on the way back. We're doing this trail today, so we did dab into it a little bit on the Empire State Trail, so we never did go this way. Let's see what's this way. because we took a picture actually from here, looking at that down there, the culvert 59 down there in that bridge. But now you can barely see it. Two different seasons. I'm kind of hoping this will loop back around over the trail. I think it did, but I'm not 100% sure. This is the first one with a marker on it. 10. See, now you kind of, I kind of want to say that was man-made, but served no purpose apparently. Again, Clinton's ditch is over here. Now, if the active barge canal was further over, then I would say, yeah, that would have been the enlarged part, but it's not. This is a huge tree. That's at least a couple hundred years old. Wow. Compared to the rest of them. I still would know we had a date on when the Clinton's ditch is preferably abandoned, when they enlarged it and put it over there. That's a decent sized tree too. We know that's at least 200 years old. I can see through it. So, again, can't stop too long. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Okay, the trail does connect. We get another place to sit. Clinton's ditch, you can see the outline. The outline where the sun is. Alright, so. Decent little hike, but bring bug spray. Yeah, we do connect back to the trail. Okay. There's like a farmer's field out here now. And I'm not sure what these are. Maybe the map will tell us. I think it might be, there should be a map inside. 12. So. We did the Montezuma thing the other day, and there were signs, like an audiobook kind of thing. Is this where it creeped me out last time? Yeah, this is... So this is the end of the trail. A little creepy knickknacks. Don't know what's changed from last time I was here, but there you go. Alright. And over here is the enlarged area. And now it gets busy. This is a busy trail today. Again, can't believe it. So, when I pulled in the driveway, it was 75 degrees, so, and it's supposed to be another 90 buster. So, to give you an example. People are going to be walking in the morning. And again, there's a trail over there, so we'll definitely pay this place a visit again, as long as I keep making these trips out here to Fairport to finish up the trail. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and some B-roll on the way back, maybe, possibly. And we'll stop by that culvert and see it again. And yeah, B-roll, and thanks for watching. On this humid, hot day at 7 in the morning. Perfect comedic timing, but here's culvert 59. Tells you about the plants you see. Again, there's too many. Culvert number 59, Stowe Block Const tunnel, 135 foot long, 4 foot wide, 2 foot 6 inches high. Runoff water from hillside under canal to 9 Mile Creek. I'm not sure what this is. It says runoff water from hillside to 9 Mile Creek on the other side of the canal. That's why the culvert's there, but there's a bridge we were just on not too long ago. Waiting for the pedestrian traffic to clear up. So yeah, this is some sort of creek. Look at the difference now. I want to say Camillus might have been mentioned in the title of the the video when I did this trail, so I'm not exactly sure. I don't have internet access to look it up right at the moment, but what happens if that ever gets plugged or anything? It says culvert, but it's obviously under. That's weird. We'll have to try to maybe have to check it out over there. Hopefully there's signage over there that pointed out that, hey, there's a culvert here. We can see it from that side. And I like how it says it connects to 9 Mile Creek, and the only thing I see over there is a highway. Oh man. You gotta hear that one last lung kick in? That's that wheeze from the part of the lung I don't have. So there's the culvert. Yeah, nice little trail in there. Again, bring bug spray. And it crosses under, and ironically there's a bench and it might be a marker right there actually. That seems odd. So we'll see. Again, we'll have to come back and do that side. We know there's a trail over there. I just noticed this. Again, the sun was hitting it at an angle, and I saw the reflection. I'm like, what is that? Seeing that it was a square reflection. It's the first time I've seen that on the entire Empire State Trail. Weird. Somebody was really bored. We're almost to the village. Yeah, it's a lot less bugs out here too. So, yeah. I don't remember that last time. Yeah, the nature trail does cut off this way, so let's check this out real quick. Seems like that's what we're working on. Again, plant species. Alright, we already went up that way. Go this way. This is where the other trail comes in. This makes it a short loop trail, it looks like. What the? Oh yeah, the bugs are bad again. Why'd you come in here? Must be work time. I mentioned that before. Hey, there's one. Yeah, so we got a new boss. So he sends everything to everybody. So I'm not just getting the message. Sometimes it does involve me to respond, but until this guy's trained and ready. What it is a group text. So let's see what's going on here. Checking. Is that something else? And here we are at the trailhead. Nice little hike though. It is definitely a nature trail. Alright, now we'll wrap it up. Again, we'll be back. 1820s Clinton Ditch Nature Trail, dedicated July 26, 2003. So this little creek comes under the bridge. Look outside. Look at the size of this creek. This is interesting. This little creek turns into this over here.